name is Kaushik. I'm from the UAE and I'm 10 years old and in year 6. I study in pristine private school Dubai. I was very excited to participate in the Gemma contest. To begin with, have you ever thought what the future might be? Yes, you may think of robots, advancements, electric flying cars, so much more. But once you read my story, I doubt that'll be all your mind will be about. It was fun for me to create my character and follow the story writing process to create a story. For me, as a middle schooler, story writing is an exciting process where you get to develop your character as each and every part of it is about you. My story is The Agents of Change. This is an adventurous story about the fact that there are many problems that the future generations might suffer too, and how the sustainable crew can overpower them. So read on to discover more about it. The story helps readers loosen their minds into a world of creativity and imagination, and helps those who are envious of the future generation's robotics aid to understand that each and every period of the globe is very significant. My main characters are Amy Gallup, Charlotte Woods, Megan Hoskins, and Katsin Carla. Personally, my favorite character is Charlotte, as she's ready for anything and everything. Perhaps you can feel the creative sense whirring in your mind whenever she comes into the story. The moral of the story is to end plastic waste and make a sustainable, cleaner, and greener world. My story is based on the Didymos, the asteroid. I started with a bit of research and begun brainstorming on how Earthlings would react and what can be the solution through an adventure. I wrote and rewrote my drafts and then shared it with my teachers and friends for feedback. I carefully amended it and fine-tuned my story to interest my readers. I'm grateful to my teachers for the guidance through this, and I'm very thankful to Gemma for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I think every child must participate in Gemma to convey their message as a story and to turn a leaf to the readers of our world. Readers are leaders, and that means we as young authors are empowering young minds to become leaders. So hop in and read my story. To the future minds. Thank you.